iPhone 14 Pro Max came in today. Someone tried to snatch it from my customer's hand. Luckily, he managed to save it, but the screen didn't make it. Now let me show you how we are going to bring it back to life. First, we remove the bottom screws and carefully lift the screen using proper tools. Then we open the display rails gently, take out the internal shield and disconnect the connectors. Battery first and then display and the top sensor. After that, we fit a premium quality replacement screen, reconnect everything securely and test display and touch to make sure it's all working perfectly. And just like that, the phone's back to life. For any screen repair or device repair, come to Phone Expert. Fast, professional and trusted.